Hey guys, today we're gonna be learning about science because science is the key to everything. Okay, so science is the elements invented by Albert Einstein.
Hey, Sniffles, do you know where my camera is?
No. Okay, back to topic. Huh? Not again!
Huh? What happened? Oh, shit, not again. The end. Subscribe or rate your toes.
Blech.